What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Outlook Quick Steps grayed out. Here's the real reason it happens. A lot of users in classic Outlook suddenly notice that Quick Steps become disabled, grayed out, or unclickable after updates. In many cases, nothing looks obviously broken in the interface. But the issue is usually not Outlook being broken, it's one of the actions inside the Quick Step that can no longer be applied. In this video, I'll show you how to find the problematic action, fix the Quick Step, and get it working again. First, make sure you are using Classic Outlook. The issue specifically applies to Quick Steps in Classic Outlook. The behavior might not match the new Outlook interface or Outlook on the web. Now, look at your Quick Steps area in the ribbon. Select an email message in your box. Then look at the Quick Steps action. If a Quick Step appears grayed out or disabled, that means Outlook has detected a problem with one of its actions for the selected message. Important, this does not always mean the Quick Step is deleted or corrupted. Now, we need to inspect the Quick Step itself. Open Quick Steps Settings. Go to Manage Quick Steps. Find the Quick Step that is grayed out or not working. Then, click Edit. This opens the full list of actions that Quick Step performs. This is where the problem usually lives. Now check each action inside the Quick Step carefully. According to Microsoft's May 2026 guidance, after updates like version 25.12, Quick Steps can become disabled if they include actions that cannot be fulfilled on the selected message. The most common problematic actions include flag actions, category actions, for example, clear flags on message or clear categories. These actions may fail if the message state does not support them, or if Outlook cannot apply them constantly after an update. So the fix is simple. Remove or replace the action that cannot be applied. You can either delete it or replace it with a simpler action. After editing the Quick Step, save your changes. Go back to your inbox. Then select the message again. Now check the Quick Step button. If the issue was caused by an incompatible action, the Quick Step should now become clickable again. If it still appears grayed out, recheck each action again and remove any remaining flagged or category-based steps that might lack conflict. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.